student, my name is Cikgu Asma and we are now in distance learning and online class for English. You can refer to this module through this online class, but first and foremost, there are some conditions, or I can see there are some Hi students, my name is Cikgu Asma and we are now in online class and distance learning for English. Okay, before I start, there are few guidelines that you need to ponder or you need to observe during this online class. The first thing is you need to watch the video. The second thing is you need to pay attention to the exercise which I asked you to complete. The third one is you can ask questions through WhatsApp, and the last one is don't forget to like the MMTC page group to know more information regarding the distance learning and this online class. So we start our learning today. Okay, so today I'll be teaching you about information transfer. You can refer to this page. Okay, this is the second last page. And before I start teaching you about this, you need to know the guidelines in understanding or in doing information transfer. Okay, the first thing is what you need to do. You need to skim through the passage. Okay. It means that you need to read quickly the passage and get the general idea about the passage. What the passage is all about. Okay. And the second one, you need to scan for specific words or phrases. Like for example, if there are few words related to birthday, and then you know that this passage is mainly about birthday. Okay, and the third one is you need to read through the text carefully. Yes, you need to go through one by one, the lines, and you must understand what the text is all about. And what about the fourth one? The fourth one is you need to read the question carefully. Yes, these questions, using the information from the text, complete the following graphic organizer. You need to fill in this graphic organizer. Okay, that is the fourth step. And the fifth one is you need to underline keywords and leave your answer. For example, like after you have finished reading the questions, you refer back to the passage. Okay, and you try to underline which one is related to the questions. Okay, but the most important tips is when you want to write the answer, make sure you be brief. Leave the unnecessary phrases. Okay, make sure your answer is very brief. Okay. So I repeat the guideline for information transfer. The first one is you need to skim through the passage. The function of skim is for you to get the general idea of the text. And the second one is you need to scan for specific words and phrases. And the third one is you need to read through the text carefully. And the fourth one is you need to read through the question carefully. The fifth one, underline keywords and leave your answer. But the most important thing is you need to be brief. Ringkaskan. Bagi jawapan tu dalam bentuk ringkas, tinggalkan segala benda-benda atau ayat-ayat yang tidak penting. Itu maksudnya. Okay, so now the first thing, okay, you refer to this text about mommy's birthday. Okay, so if you go through the first step, which is skim through the passage, read in a glance, okay, read in a glance what you get from the passage. Oh, maybe it is about birthday, right? It is about birthday and it is about gift, money. Okay, you get the general idea first for the first step, okay? And for the second step, you scan for specific words and phrases. Okay, is there any specific words I need to pay attention to? For example, like birthday. Yes, this is about birthday. Okay, mommy's birthday. Yes, this is about mommy's birthday. And what it is all about. It mentioned about perfume. It mentioned about watch. Okay, it mentioned about gift. Oh, maybe this is about giving present for mommy's birthday. Right? Okay. After you get the idea, then go to the third step. Read through the text carefully. Okay, come. We read it together. Okay? Next week will be mommy's birthday. I think I should get her that perfume that she likes. Chanel number 5. She would be so thrilled. But then again, I was thinking, perhaps a watch would be more practical, since her old trusty one looks rather worn. But she just adores that watch. It has sentimental value because it was Dad's anniversary gift to her. Okay, the third paragraph. I am going to use the money I saved from my monthly pocket allowance. If it costs more than expected, I will use the extra saving I got from doing all those chores around the house. And the last paragraph, okay? Maybe I should discuss this with Dad. He can give me some sound advice. He would know exactly what to do. Dad is a fantastic problem solver and he will know what Mommy would like best. Okay, so you read carefully the text and then at this time, you must understand what the text is all about. Okay, so from what I read just now, what do you understand? Okay, this is about giving present for Mommy. And then what happened to the author? What happened to this boy? The boy doesn't know, right? He doesn't know what to give to his mommy. Okay, and then what happened? And then about the money, he think he want to use his pocket allowance. Okay, another thing is, if it is cost more, he will use his extra saving. But he's still unsure about that. So at the last paragraph, he think he wanna ask his dad. Okay, because he said his dad know exactly what mommy like best. Okay, this is about the passage. And then you read the question carefully. Okay, so we read this part carefully. Okay, this part. Okay, I will leave this part because we are going to do this together. Okay. And then underline keywords and leave your answer. So based on this passage, you underline the keywords related to the questions and take the answer and put in that organizer. Okay, you got it? Okay, so now let's start doing the exercise. Maybe I can, I take it off all this. Okay. Okay, I take it off. Okay.